alone tonight. I feel so cold inside as I call out your name for the last time. Another picture frame, broken and thrown away.